Okay guys, I shot that deer. I don't know if you can see that telephone pole out there in the middle of the field. I shot the deer about 120 yards that way. He came through there into the woods. I was tracking him all through this stuff, right through here, and by the old gas well right there. He didn't make it to the creek. Not sure what he is. He's no monster, but he's a trophy to me. I've hunted hard this week. Missed a couple opportunities. Had a great time. But we'll walk up here to him here and see exactly what he is. But I just want to thank you guys. It's been a good season, and thank the good Lord. Let's go see what we got. Game warden up there. Maybe if he comes down and get him help me. Okay. Get around this thicket right here. Pretty thick brush. Alright guys, there he is. Let's go up here and see what he is. Pretty big body deer anyway. Let's set this 7mm down. He's a 6-pointer. Oh, Justin's gonna give me static over that. His 6-pointer's bigger than mine. It don't matter to me though. A good hunt. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, old buddy. I'll get back with you guys. Get him drug out here and tagged.